Are you looking for the best scooter for kids? In this video we will look at some of the best scooter for kids on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Mad Gear Alloy Folding Scooter. The Mad Gear Alloy is a very good entry-level scooter. It's the most affordable scooter within its category, and still provides a lot of value to customers as well. It has 100mm polyurethane wheels with nylon cores. This is same setup that some of the Razor scooters have, and it can be almost half the price. The scooter does have a few drawbacks, however. It is not as sturdily built, and occasionally customers will receive models that can break with only a few weeks of use. While this scooter does have a lot of qualities that can compete on equal footing as the more expensive brands, it is not the best one you can get for your money. If you don't mind spending a little bit extra, please stay tuned for the other awesome scooters on our list. Number 2. Pulse Performance Products KR2 Freestyle Scooter. One of the more fun scooters on our list, the Pulse Performance Freestyle Scooter is designed for tricks. It comes in a box with all the tools necessary to assemble it. The tools can also then be used for tune-ups along the way. Tune-ups are an essential part of owning a trick scooter and can lead to a much better performance over time. Some of the customers of this product have not tuned the scooter up correctly, and they have filed complaints about certain components breaking over time. This is important to notice before you buy a scooter. When you look at negative customer reviews, ask yourself if that is something I can fix. Number 3. Razor A3 Scooter Clear. From a company that is almost synonymous with scooters comes the Razor A3. This scooter was an improvement to the Razor A2, and the A2 was an improvement of one of the first kick scooters that came out in 2000. This is the line that started it all. The entire kick scooter trend owes its existence to this line. The A3 earns its reputation with its 125mm inline style polyurethane wheels. These two-wheel scooter are great for carving and ride very smoothly on hard surfaces. The patented rear fender brake makes it easy to stop short or to control your speed when you're coming down a big hill. The all-new wheelie bar adds a fun new twist to the product design. All you need to do is push your back foot down on this bar and the scooter will pop up like magic. The bar will hit the ground and prevent the scooter itself from sliding out underneath you. Just this small addition makes it so much safer and so much more fun. Number 4. Razor A2 Kick Scooter. Next on our list is the Razor A2. You may be thinking that this is just a worse version of the A3, but it is actually comparable to its successor. It is so hard to improve on perfection, and that's why the A2 has earned a spot on our list. One of the best-selling scooters out there, comes with a lower price tag than the A3 and almost as many features. The wheels may be a bit smaller, but they work just as well. The scooter is complete with all the classic design features like the no-slip grip deck, the adjustable handlebars with soft foam grips, and the foldable design. Not only is this scooter one of the most affordable kick scooters out there, but it is also one of the best. Overall, it provides so much value for the money you spend, and that is why it has gotten such great customer reviews. Number 5. Razor PowerWing Caster Scooter. Just to make things interesting, I wanted to add something unique at the top of this list. If the goal of this list is to find the scooters that are the most fun, what could be more fun than this unique design of the Razor PowerWing? This revolutionary design must have seemed a bit risky to Razor at the time, but it was met with overwhelmingly positive feedback. Kids loved the new design, and they loved that instead of kicking with your feet, you moved them back and forth in order to go forward. This meant that kids didn't have to take their feet off of the scooter in order to move. With the 120mm front wheel, the easy-to-ride design, and the convenient hand brake, this scooter has earned its near-perfect reviews.